Okay, so for this video, I have everything already laid out of what she got. As you can see, she's got these pretty cool shoes. She really likes them for the first time. I'm actually surprised that she will like them because she normally doesn't like stuff like that. So those are the shoes. And then she got this belt, which is super cute. And this was her like little free thing, her squishy that she got. Some of you may have seen on my Instagram this dress she wore on the last day of school. She's got this swing dress here that's really cute on her, and then she's worn the Let's Catch Some Rays shirt already with a different pair of shorts, and then she got these little skirt things here, which is really cute, and it's like flowy. It's really cute. And she's worn this black top already with a different outfit as well, and it has like, it's knotted up right here, and that's really cute. And then she got this like camisole like tank top thing, and she loves these Kidpik ones because they're kind of thicker, and she likes to just wear them, and she likes to sleep in them. So yeah, this was her summer Kidpik, and hopefully one day she'll want to do the video, that way you guys can see what everything looks like on her. Oh, and did I show you guys the belt? Yeah, I think I did. But yeah, this is what she got for her summer Kidpik, and I'm really surprised because you know how against purple and pink she is, but every time she gets a Kidpik box, she absolutely loves everything in it. So there you have it, guys. This is our summer Kidpik box. So I do have a $15 code that you can use if you want to try Kidpik for yourself. It's $15 off your first box. I absolutely love Kidpik. There is no styling fees. There are you know, everything, if you buy everything, the prices are inexpensive. If you take the cost of these items you get and you compare it to what you would purchase in a store, it comes out to be a great deal. So you get all of these lovely quality clothing, might I add. Everything that she has from Kidpik is quality, and I just absolutely love it. I wish they had a boys box, because I would definitely buy one for Cam. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of her summer Kidpik, and we will see you all next time.